ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा पेज नंबर 122 टीका। How many types of lakshanas are there?
केवल लक्ष्य
two times.
two types केवल लक्षण and लक्षित लक्षण
2 or 3?
two केवल लक्षण लक्षित लक्षण.
And what about Gauni Vritti?
Including in Lakshita Lakshana.
Kevala Lakshana, Lakshita Lakshana. And Gauni Vritti is included in Lakshita Lakshana. That is elaborated now. Before that, the Shakyartha. So Shakya is in Jati, Vyakti. What are the three ways in which Vedanta Paribhashakar explained? First one is
Sambhita Samvedya.
Samvida Samvedya what?
जातेर व्यक्ति समान संवित संवेद्यत्वम्.
Jatir Vyakti Samana Samvid Samvedyatvam. Means Lakshana is where?
It is in
It is not
jati.
Lakshana. Shakyartha is in
It is in jati.
Jati. And in Vyakti, along with Jati, the Vyakti Bodha will take place. This is one. Second one was another person.
It is both in Jati and Vyakti. Jati as Jnata and Vyakti as Swarupata.
Jati as Jnata, Vyakti as Swarupata. Third one,
व्यक्ति is not Shakya. ज्ञायमानत्वम शक्ति विषयत्वम.
that is second one. Nyayamanatvam Shakti Vishayatvam. That is second. Third one is
जाति known directly, व्यक्ति known through lakshana.
Jati known directly, Vyakti known through Lakshana. So in this way, three ways. Third one is the Mukhya Mata. Now see this Tika 122. Lakshya Jnanasya Lakshana Jnanadhinatvat Tam Nirupayati. Lakshya Jnana is Lakshana Jnana Adhina. Lakshana Jnana Adhina. How will you do Samasa Vigraha? Lakshana Jnana. How will you do Samasa Vigraha first between these two?
लक्षणो ज्ञानं यस्य
Lakshano. Jnanam is Napunsakling. Lakshana is also Napunsakling.
Lakshanayah Jnanam
What is Lakshana?
Yasya Tat Lakshana Jnanam Tat
No, I missed the first part.
Lakshanayah Jnanam.
Lakshanayaha. Lakshana is a Strilinga Shabda here. Lakshana, not Lakshano. Lakshanayaha. Strilinga Shashti Vibhakti will be Lakshanayaha Jnanam. Lakshana Jnanam. Then Lakshanayaha Jnanam.
Tasmin Athinam Lakshana Jnanathinam.
Tasmin Tad Adhinam is also enough. Tad Adhinam Lakshana Jnana Adhinam. Tad Adhinatvat Lakshana Jnana Adhinatvat. Tan Nirupayati. Tan Kan.
Lakshya.
Lakshanam. Only one Strilinga is discussed. Lakshanam. Lakshanam Nirupayati. So Lakshya Jnana is Lakshana Jnana Adhina. In other words, what do you have to know first?
Lakshana
What is dependently known?
Lakshya Jnanam.
Lakshya. Not Lakshya. Acha, Lakshya Jnanam is dependently known. Lakshana is independently known. So then Lakshana Jnanam I have to have first. That's why first Lakshana description. Dvividha, Keval Lakshana, Lakshita Lakshana. Continue in Tika. Tatra, Kevala Lakshana, Lakshita Lakshana yor madhye. Tatra means between them. Between them means between these two. Kevala Lakshana and Lakshita Lakshana. Udaharanam aha yatha iti. Yatha Gangayam Ghosha iti asmin vakye. गंगापद वाच्य प्रवाहेण साक्षात् संबंधवती तीरे गंगापदस्य केवल लक्षणा वृत्ति. गंगायाम घोष इन दिस वाक्य गंगापद वाच्य प्रवाहेण. गंगापद वाच्य प्रवाह साक्षात् संबंधवती. विथ प्रवाह देयर इज साक्षात् संबंध ऑफ तीर. Sambandhavati is Saptami. Sambandhavati Tire. So when we do Lakshana between Vachyartha and Lakshyartha, there should be Sakshat Sambandha. Like how we say Gangayam Ghosha. So Gangapada is Prabaha. Vachyartha of Gangapada is what is Vachyartha?
Nadi.
प्रवाह
Pravaha. Not Nadi. Nadi Shabda is not it. Vachyartha of Ganga Shabda is Prabaha. And Shakyartha of Ganga Shabda is
तीर
Tira.
Shakyartha is Vachyartha. If I say Vachyartha is Pravaha, Shakyartha is Tira. Shakyartha is Pravaha only. Shakya Vritti and Lakshana Vritti. What is the meaning of Shakya?
Vachya.
Between Vachyartha and Lakshyartha, there should be Sakshat Sambandha. Sakshat Sambandhavati Tire Gangapadasya Kevala Lakshana Vrittihi. What is the question?
Harima Swamiji, can Swamiji clarify Vachya and Shakya? Sometimes Vachya we take as an object, and Vachyata, the meaning, the direct meaning. So here, Vachya is the object or the meaning. And Padartha, sometimes very confused.
So when
In-
when we say Ganga Pada Vachya, if we say Ganga or any Pada Vachya, then it will be Padartha. Padartha is Vachyartha, is Shakyartha. They all three mean the same. Padartha, Ghata Pada Vachya is what?
Vakyartha. Yatyartha.
Ghata Pada Vachya is Ghata Vishaya, Ghata Padartha. That Ghata Padartha is called Ghata Pada Vachyartha. Is called Ghata Pada Shakyartha. So Vachyartha, Shakyartha, Padartha, they mean the same thing. Okay.
means the pot itself or
Vacyartha.
the pot meaning. Without the pot, I can say Kada. But if
Yes.
a pot in front of me,
Yes, when you say Ghata, what are you referring to?
Padartha.
Padartha, object. When you say Ganga, what are you referring to? The Pravaha. साक्षात संबंधवती तीरे गंगा पदस्य केवल लक्षणा वृत्ति. गंगा पदस्य in तीर गंगा पदस्य केवल लक्षणा means लक्षणा वृत्ति, which is here केवल लक्षणा. What is लक्षित लक्षणाम? लक्षित लक्षणाम लक्षयति यत्र शक्य परंपरा संबंधेन अर्थांतर प्रतिपत्ति. See now he says शक्य. यत्र शक्य परंपरा संबंधेन. शक्य means वाच्य. So one is shakya sakshat sambandha, another is shakya parampara sambandha. Between vachyartha and lakshyartha, there is parampara sambandha. Then it is lakshita lakshana. Means one lakshana, then another lakshana, like that. Yatha dvirefa padasya shakya refa dvaya ghatita भ्रमर पद द्वारा तद अर्थे वृत्ति ही इत्यर्थः. See, lakshita lakshana means twice you have to use lakshana. Lakshana, lakshana. This is called lakshita lakshana. Like he gives example, dvirepa. What is dvirepa? Dvirepa can mean any word which has two repas. So we saw yesterday some examples like Ramara, like Ratri, and
Randra.
Randra, etc. So it has two rakaras. But seeing the context, you have to pick only one. So this is first lakshana. Dvirepa Lakshana is in Brahmara. Okay. Now Brahmara Pada indicates Brahmara object. So that is the second one. That's how he says. Yatha Dvirepa Padasya Shakya is Repa Dvaya Ghatita Brahmara Pada. Brahmara Pada Dwara Tad Arthe Vrittihi. Brahmara Pada indicates Brahmara Vishaya. So this is Lakshita Lakshana. Nanu Padarthascha Dvividaha. Now he uses the word Padartha. Padartha means, if Padartha is Dvividha, means Padasya Artha. Pada can have two meanings. What are the two meanings of the Pada? Padarthascha Dvividaha. What are the two Padarthas?
Shakya and Lakshya.
Shakyartha and Lakshyartha. They are called Padartha. So somebody is asking, Padarthasya Dvividha, you said there are two Padartha. Iti uktva, Vritti Dvaividya Nirupanam Ayuktam. And then you described Shakya Vritti and Lakshana Vritti. You see, this is inappropriate. Vritti Dvaividya Nirupanam Ayuktam. Why? Gauni Vritti also you have to include. Gaunya Vrittehe Vidyamanataya Vrittehe Traividyena. Padarthasya Traividyam, you should say. Padartha is of three types. Why? Because Gauni Vritti is also there. Shakya Vritti, Lakshana Vritti, and Gauni Vritti. Gauni Vritti is Vidyamana, it exists. So Vrittehe Traividyena, Padarthasya Traividyat. You should say Padartha is of three types. Traividyat iti ashankya. Gaunya Vrittir Lakshita Lakshana Antarbhavat. Gauni Vritti is included in Lakshita Lakshana Antarbhavat. Na Ukta Dosha. Iti ashayanaha. Gauni Api. Gauni Vritti is also included in Lakshita Lakshana. Tal Lakshanam Gaunyam Yojayati Simho Manavaka iti. That Lakshana he shows in Simho Manavaka. On the previous page, second number tippani on 121. Nanu shakyasya sadrishya rupaha sambandho gunaha. Gunadhina lakshana gauni. Shakyasya sadrishya rupa sambandha is called guna. And guna adhina lakshana is called gauni vritti. So gauni here means associated with some sadrishya rupa guna. यथा सिंह शब्द वाच्य है केसरादिमान पशु विशेषः. सिंह शब्द वाच्य इस केशरादिमान पशु विशेष. तत्संबंधी क्रौर्यादि गुण रूपम तस्य माणवक वर्तित्वात्. That kraurya, shaurya, these gunas, they are seen in some manavaka, some brahmachari, and therefore simha shabdat Gaunya Manavakasya Pratitihi. By Simha Shabda, through Gauni Vritti, Manavaka Pratiti means Jnana. Pratiti means Jnana. Manavakasya Pratitihi Bhavati. Tathacha Lakshita Lakshana Lakshanam Gaunyam Ati Vyaptam. Then somebody says this Lakshita Lakshana Lakshanam goes in Gauni Vritti, so it is Ishtapati. Chetna Tasyapi Lakshatvadi. It is Lakshya only. In Lakshya, if Lakshana goes, then what is the dosha?
There is no dosha.
There is no dosha. Tasyapi Lakshatva Adityaha. Okay, so we have completed. Now, prakarantarena lakshanam vibhajate in tika. Another way he gives lakshanam, mulam. Prakarantarena lakshana trividha. Prakarantarena means anya prakarena. In another way, because prakarantaram, anya prakaro prakarantaram. Anya prakara prakara. A different prakara, what is that? By that, lakshana is 3 types. Earlier he said lakshana 2 types. What are the 2 types of lakshana he said?
Kevala Lakshana, Lakshita Lakshana.
Kevala lakshana, lakshita lakshana. Now this is familiar one. Jahal lakshana, ajahal lakshana, jahad ajahal lakshana. Sometimes when somebody says Vedanta Paribhasha I am studying, so they wait for some familiar things to come. And they have to study, and almost after 100 classes, first familiar word comes. Jahad lakshana, ajahal lakshana. Everything else is something or the other. I say, well, what happened to all my Vedanta that I have studied so far? Nothing is there. And you call this text as Vedanta Paribhasha. So much Anumana. And then all this Mimamsa, Shruti, Linga, Vakya, Prakarana, Sthana, Samaya. And this fellow has memorized some mantras from here, there, half the mantra pushpam. And he thought he knows the entire Vedanta. And when he comes to Vedanta Paribhasha class, he had no clue what is going on. Does it sound familiar?
Yes, Swamiji.
So this is like that. So here some familiar things are there. Jahal Lakshana. How is Jahat word formed? How is Jahat Shabda formed? What is the dhatu?
Ha.
Ha.
Ha and then Shatra Pratyaya.
You have to tell full dhatu and meaning.
Tyagi.
Ohak Tyagi.
Ohak Tyage. Ohak Tyage, then Shatru Pratyanta Rupa. Jahat. How Ha became Ha? In next class you have to answer. Okay, I'll move forward. Jahal Lakshana, Ajahal Lakshana, Jahad Ajahal Lakshana, Jahati. Tatra Tisrushu Lakshanasu. Among these 3 Lakshanas, Madhye, Yatra, Yasmin Pade, Yatra means Tatra Shakyam Anantar Bhavyam Yatra Arthantar Pratitis Tatra Jahal Lakshana. Shakyam Anantar Bhavyam Yatra. Yatra, there where Shakyam means the Shakyartha, means the Vachyartha. Anantar Bhavyam. Na Antar Bhavyam iti Anantar Bhavyam. It is not included in the Lakshana. Vachyartha is not included in Lakshana. शक्यम अनंतर भाव्यम यत्र अर्थांतर प्रतीति. So there the other artha jnanam takes place where the shakyartha is not included. That is called jahal lakshana. Shakyam anantar bhavyam yatra अर्थांतर प्रतीतौ तद अर्थांतर प्रतीति ही जहल लक्षणा. और इसे यत्र देयरफॉर तत्र इति. यत्र यस्मिन् अर्थे शक्यम न अंतर्भाव्यम तत् अर्थांतर प्रतीति ही जहल लक्षणा. यथा विषम भुङ्क्ष्व इति अत्र स्वार्थं विहाय शत्रुग्रहे भोजन निवृत्तिर्लक्ष्यते. इसी जहल लक्षण दृष्टांत is Gangayam Ghosha. What happened to that drishtanta? And here you suddenly giving Visham Bhungshva. Visham Bhungshva means go and eat poison. So go and eat poison means the father is not telling son, go and eat poison. Son is asking, can I go to somebody's house? Somebody who is not a friend of this family. They are inimical to that family. They say, go eat poison. Visham Bhungshva. Visham Bhungshva iti atra swartham vihaya. You have to give up swartha. Shatrugrahe bhojana nivritti. Don't go to the enemy's house for food. That is what it means. So mainly, this Raj Parivar and all, they used to have a lot of this because they always look at everyone as Shatru Mitra, Shatru Mitra. You have to remember, in Bhajagovindam there is a shloka. What is the shloka in Bhajagovindam? Shatrau Mitre Putre Bandhau.
मा कुरु यत्नं
विग्रह संधौ
Sarvasminnapi
पश्यात्मानं
Sarvatruksya Bhedagyanam.
सर्वत्र च भेदाज्ञं.
Ma Kuru Yatnam Shatrau Mitre Putre Bandhu. Don't go on thinking in terms of this is Shatru, this is Mitra, this is Putra, this is Bandhu, this is it, this is that. And then after this Jnanam, all the effort is in Vigraha Sandhi, separating from here. So all those things, this Shatru, Mitra, this Bhava, they are there before you come to Vedanta. In Vedanta, if your energy goes in this Shatru Mitra, Bheda Buddhi I have to give up. Sarvasminnapi Pashya Atmanam. Sarvatra Utsrija Bheda Ajnanam. Where do I have to see myself? In everyone. In Ravana also. In Kumbhakarna also. In Shishupala also. Bhagavan saw himself in all. That Jyoti entered in Bhagavan from everyone. Right?
Yes.
This is how in Bhajagovindam itself Bhagavan has said, this is what you have to do. Sarvatra Utsrija Bheda Ajnanam. Ajnanam is Bheda Buddhi. Bheda Buddhi is Ajnanam. Jnanam doesn't have any other lakshana. So here, Shatrugraha Bhojan and sannyasi, so they have to go anywhere, for bhojan. Whatever, wherever is available, they will eat. Why? Because they say, Bhagavan is feeding me, not person. That's all. Okay. So what happened to Gangayam Ghosha? See, he explains on the next page. First, let us see Tika, then we'll see Tippani. Yasmin Pade Vakyeva Shakyartham, Refa is missing. Shakyartham Anantar Bhavya Arthantarasya Bhanam Tatra Jahal Lakshana Shakya Sambandhi Matra Vishaya Vritti Rityartha. There were Shakyartham Anantar Bhavya Arthantarasya Bhanam. This is called Jahal Lakshana. It can be in Pada or in Vakya. In Gangayam Ghosha, it is in Pada. Lakshana is in Pada. Gangayam Ghosha Prativasati. Iti atra Ganga Pade Shakyartha Pravaha Rupa. What is the Shakyartha of Ganga Pada?
Pravaha.
Huh?
Pravaha.
Pravaha. And what is the Vachyartha of Ganga Pada?
Pravaha.
Pravaha. Ganga Pade Shakyartha Pravaha Rupam. Anantar Bhavyam. Anantar Bhavyam means na antar bhavya, without including. In Ganga Pada, not including Pravaha. Anantar Bhavyam. Tira Rupasya Arthantarasya Pratiti. Tira Rupasya means the Jnanam of Tira takes place. Arthantara, which is a different Arthantarasya Pratiti asti. Ato Ganga Padam Jahal Lakshana Udaharanam. Ganga Pada is Jahal Lakshana Udaharanam. So you say, why you didn't give that Drashtanta? He said, Tathapi Tasya Sarvaihi Udaharatattvat Siddhavat Kratva Vakyam Udaharati. In this, it is Siddhavat. Siddhavat means it is already known, and therefore Sarvaihi Udaharatam. Everywhere, by everyone, this example is given. Gangayam Ghosha, Ganga Pada Pravaha, Lakshana in Tira. Everybody gives. So it is Siddhavat. It is already known. Siddhavat Kritva Vakyam Udaharati. Vakyam Udaharati means now he gives Lakshana in Vakya. The whole Vakya has some other meaning, not a Pada. In other words, Vedanta accepts Lakshana in Pada also, in Vakya also. Visham Bhukshva Atra Asmin Vakye. So in this Visham Bhukshva is Jahal Lakshana. See previous page now. 1 number Tippani. Page number 122. Tippani number 1. Visham Bhukshva iti Vakyad Atra Bhojanam Ma Kuru iti Artho Jahal Lakshanaya. तथा च वाक्य वृत्ति लक्षणा ऐसा. So this is Jahal Lakshana Vritti, Vakya Vritti. That don't go and eat there. So the direct meaning you should not understand. You should understand the Lakshana meaning. Not that father is asking, go and eat poison. This is eating Shatru Bhojanam is like poison. Second number Tippani, Swartham. Visham Bhungshva iti atra Swartham vihaya. Swartham means Swasya Visham Bhungshva iti Vakyasya Artha. Is called Swartha. Means Shakyartha. So here you see, शक्यार्थ is swasya artha. So swartha is shakyartha. But every time swartha doesn't mean shakyartha. Okay. Now third number tippani. Third number tippani actually we should have seen earlier. But anyway, you see the main definition of lakshana is given in third number tippani. Shakya sambandho lakshana. Lakshana vishayo lakshya. Shakya sambandho lakshana. This you have to memorize. Shakya sambandha is lakshana. And lakshana vishaya is lakshya. Iti lakshyasya lakshana nirupanadhina lakshanaadhina nirupanatvat लक्षणायाश्च शक्य निरूपणाधीन निरूपणत्वम् इत्यर्थः। लक्षणायाः शक्य निरूपणाधीन निरूपणत्वम्। लक्षणा निरूपणम requires the निरूपण of शक्य। Okay. Next page now. Second, अजः लक्षण। अत्र अस्मिन् वाक्ये अजः लक्षणं लक्षयति। What is अजः लक्षण? In मूलम् यत्र शक्यार्थम् अंतर्भाव्य एव अर्थांतर प्रतीतिस् तत्र अजः लक्षण। यथा शुक्लो घटः इति अत्र हि शुक्ल शब्दः स्वार्थम शुक्ल गुणम अंतर्भाव्य एव तद्वती द्रव्य लक्षणया वर्तते। यत्र शक्यार्थम अंतर्भाव्य एव अर्थांतर प्रतीतिः शक्यार्थम अंतर्भाव्य देयर वेयर शक्यार्थ इज इंक्लूडेड इन लक्ष्यार्थ अंतर्भाव्य एव अर्थांतर प्रतीति but it is not only shakyartha, it is something other than shakyartha, but shakyartha is included in that. That is called ajah lakshana. यथा शुक्लो घटः इति अत्र शुक्ल शब्दः शुक्ल शब्द is स्वार्थम. What is shukla referring to in shuklo घटः?
द्रव्य
Through lakshana. Actually it refers to guna. So that is given here. Shukla shabda swartham shukla gunam antarbhavya. The real meaning of shukla is shukla guna. Including shukla guna there, antarbhaveva tadvati dravya lakshanaya vartate. So now shukla shabda is indicating dravya. So how did shukla become dravya? Shukla is supposed to be guna. The lakshana vritti. Yesterday we saw shukla is shukla gunavan. Shukla becomes shukla gunavan through ajah lakshana. Like shono dhavati. In shono dhavati, shona is
Ashwa.
Shona is Ashwa.
No, it's guna.
Shona is Rakta Guna. Shona means red, Rakta, red. Red is Guna. So what does it do? Swartham Rakta Gunam Antarbhavya Eva Tadvati Dravye Ashve Lakshanaya Vartate. So Shono Dhavati means red is running. Red is running means Rakta Gunaman Ashwo Dhavati. Ajaha Lakshana is clear?
Yes, Swami.
Yes.
You will say, Swamiji, it was clear long back, but I am sure now it became clear what is guna and what is dravya. How guna shabda is thought of as dravya through Lakshana. One number tippani. Swasya shukla padasya artha shakyartham. Swartham means swasya artha. Swasya shukla padasya artha is shukla guna. Tad antarbhavya lakshana. टीका शक्यार्थ विशिष्ट विषया वृत्ति ही अजह लक्षणा इत्यर्थः. शक्यार्थ विशिष्ट विषया वृत्ति ही अजह लक्षणा. इट्स ए ब्रीफ नाइस डेफिनेशन. जह लक्षणा इज शक्य संबंधी मात्र विषया वृत्ति ही जह लक्षणा. शक्यार्थ विशिष्ट विषयावृत्ति ही अजह लक्षणा. We have given some other definitions also in the definition document. Somebody has memorized all these. That student is present or absent? Present. वाच्यार्थम अशेषतः परित्यज्य तत्संबंधी अर्थांतरे वृत्तिर जह लक्षणा. वाच्यार्थ अपरित्यागेन तत्संबंधिनी वृत्ति ही अजह लक्षणा. So this we have understood. Now third is jahad ajah lakshana. वाच्यार्थस्य विरुद्धांश परित्यागेन उभय पदार्थ अनुस्यूतम अविरुद्धांश ग्रहणम. Somebody told me I am making a list of all definitions with alphabetical this that. You have to answer when I ask the question, not just make the list. This is when you need it. Udaharati yatha. See in the Moolam. Shuklo gataha ityadi. Tika further. Trutiyam lakshayati. Third one is jahad ajah lakshana. Yatra hi vishishta vachakaha shabdaha. Ekadesham vihaya. Ekadeshe vartate. Vishishta vachaka shabda gives up one and applies in the other. Tatra jahad ajah lakshana. Yatha soyam devadatta iti. Just as in case of soyam devadatta. Atra hi padadvaya vachyayor विशिष्टयोः ऐक्य अनुपपद्या. पदद्वय so and ayam, these two padas, saha ayam. Padadvaya vachyayoः विशिष्टयोः ऐक्य अनुपपत्या. There is no ऐक्य. ऐक्य अनुपपत्या. पदद्वयस्य विशेष्य मात्र परत्वम. पदद्वय, they are visheshya matra. They are only referring to visheshya, not visheshanas. Yathava. So here in so ayam, they are vishishta padas. What is the visheshya and what is the visheshana?
Devadatta is Visheshya, and so Saha and Ayam are the Visheshana.
But what do saha and ayam mean?
Means Devadatta.
Something more. You have studied this, you should know. Taddesha tatkala vishishta devadatta is saha. अयम इज एतद्देश एतत्काल विशिष्ट देवदत्त. So both are विशिष्ट देवदत्त. Visheshya is Devadatta. Visheshana is Taddesha Tatkala and Etaddesha Etatkala. So what do we do? The Visheshana Pada, which is the Ekadesha of the Vishishta, that Visheshana Padam Vihaya. Ekadeshe Vartate Lakshana. Yathava. So second number tippani, Vishesha Matra Paratvam Jahada Jahal Lakshana. Yathava. तत्वमसि इत्यादौ तत्पदवाच्यस्य सर्वज्ञत्वादि विशिष्टस्य त्वं पदवाच्येन अंतःकरण विशिष्टेन ऐक्य अयोगात्. बोथ आर विशिष्ट. विशिष्ट what? तत्पदवाच्य is सर्वज्ञत्वादि विशिष्ट and त्वं पदवाच्य is अंतःकरण विशिष्ट. विशिष्ट what? विशिष्ट चैतन्य. सर्वज्ञत्वादि विशिष्ट इज चैतन्य. अंतःकरण विशिष्ट इज
Chaitanya.
chaitanya. Chaitanya between two chaitanya, because visheshana bheda is there, therefore aikya ayogat. Aikya siddhyartham swarupe lakshana means only in chaitanya, which is me. Swarupe lakshana iti sampradayikaha. So sampradayikaha means sampradayik acharyas. So Bhagavan Bhashyakara, Sureshwaracharya, earlier Acharya also, etc. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam Sutrabhashyakrutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vivagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.